If you don't know me, I am Tiffany Rosenbaum. If you do know me, welcome back. I know my hair is a hot mess right now, but I really wanted to make this video really quick. I went to a church sale a couple days ago and I wanted to show you guys everything that I got because I got some good bread and butter items. If you don't know what bread and butter means in regards to reselling, it's just items that sell really well, but not necessarily for a super high cost. But let me go ahead and show you what I got. I will be saving the best for last, so make sure that you stick around. And I just want to start by saying that I paid $11 for everything that I got, so it averages about $1 an item. And I'm pretty happy with what I found. Now, I don't comp anything when I am purchasing it. I just kind of wing it and go with instincts, and most of the time it pays off. So actually, the first thing you guys might see over here hanging next to me is this Tigger. And he is a vintage Tigger from Walt Disney World. He is in excellent condition, and I'm probably just going to sell him locally just because I think that I'd be able to get more out of the sale, and because I don't really want to ship him. I don't like to ship big items, so this is Tigger. If you guys know anything about me, you know that I love selling shoes, so I did get a couple pairs of shoes this trip. I picked up these men's New Balance. They are in excellent condition, minus the fact that they don't have shoelaces. However, because I do sell a lot of shoes, I do have a bunch of brand new shoelaces in, just for instances like this where I need to replace the shoelace. So I'll just put another pair on it. I'll either do white or black. I mean, it wouldn't really matter. But again, they are in excellent condition. And I will post comps on the screen of what I think they might be able to sell for. Next up, I have these two Cub Scout hats. I've got one for the Tigers and one for the Wolves. And if your kid is in Cub Scouts like mine, you will know that anything Cub Scouts related is super, super expensive. So when I comped these, they were going for about $20, $25, $30 a piece just for the hats. And they are in excellent condition. I don't even know that they were worn very often. And I also have a Bears one upstairs that I'm going to be selling as well that I bought for my son last year when he was a bear. He's no longer a bear. He's a Weeblo now. But I'll be selling the bear one too. Next up, I got this handheld Yahtzee game. It is still new in package, and something fun, a bolo that you guys might not know. These handheld games like this, especially the vintage ones, they sell pretty decent. They're not going to be super crazy high prices. I think this one I can get maybe $10 out of it, but this one's Hasbro and the year is 2011, so this one's not vintage yet, but it's still new, sealed and packaged, so it's going to be a pretty good find. Next up, I have these black Converse. Everything needs cleaned. Nothing's been cleaned yet, and they are black, and they have black glitter here on the outsides. It's the one that has the little bit more padding on the tongue, so I'm going to clean these up and get these listed as well. And another pair of Converse I got were these women's magenta. They're already pretty clean, minus the bottoms. I will still spiff them up a little bit, see what I can get them looking a little bit better. They are a size 10 in women's. So I picked these up as well. Converse is a brand, a good bread and butter brand that will sell consistently. Not always for the highest prices, but if you can get them cheap enough, it's a good bread and butter brand. Okay, I've told you guys time and time again that Crocs are one of my favorite things to sell, and I also love to sell kids' shoes. So here is a doubler. So I've got, now both of these do need cleaned up, but I got this little girl's pair of sandals. These are Crocs. And at first I thought that this hole was like something was missing, but when I was like Googling them and searching them on eBay, I think that it's meant to be like that so that you can put one of those Croc charms in there. So I'll clean these up. Crocs clean up very well. A little bit of Dawn Power Spray. That should be good to go. And then I've got this blue pair, super cute as well. They are too small for my daughter. She did try trying them on, and she was a little bummed that they don't fit, but this one's cute as well. So I got these two pairs of Crocs. Next up, I have this men's pair of Brooks, and they are a little bit more used condition, so I won't be able to get them as much as, you know, something newer, but they have really good tread on them. They do need cleaned up a little bit. There is some light staining on the cloth here, but I should be able to get that out with some OxiClean. So got some Brooks. And still on the shoe kick, we have these women's pair of Nikes. They are a smaller size. They're a size 7, but they are still in excellent condition. The bottoms do need washed off, but again, that's not hard to do. Otherwise, they are in great condition. So we have that. And the last item that I told you I said I was saving the best for last is, as my daughter would say, dun dun dun. I have this leather Corvette purse. It is red. It is, let's see if I can pull this up for you guys to see here. It's official, trademarked. And I tried looking up comps for this purse, and I couldn't find exact sold comps. There are a few listed anywhere between $88 and over $100. There are some solds for different styles, different models, but of my find here, this one was going to be the best one. I'm not entirely sure how much I'll actually get for it. There are no holes or anything like that. It does need a quick wipe down. It looks like there's some surface dirt that I should be able to wipe off. So it is genuine leather, and I'm excited about this find. Again, I only paid $11 for everything that I found, and I just love church sales because they're such great prices, and I'm going to one later this week as well, so I will make another video and show you guys what I found at that sale. But I wanted to show you guys everything I got, and I will post the comps on the screen and what I think I'll be able to make total off of everything that I bought. And I'm going to go ahead and get these listed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.